If you're liking all the 55 plus neighborhoods, but you don't really want a single family home, you don't need something that's 2,200 square feet, we might have a great option for you today.
This is a great solution. We're in Hammock Walk, which is part of Nexton. And if we don't know each other, my name is Mark, this is Jeff. We're with the Charleston Area Living Group. We talk about 55 plus stuff, but we talk about all things real estate all over the Tri-County, Charleston, Somerville area. So if you want to know more about that, definitely subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click that little bell because all of that stuff helps us get these videos out to more people so that we can help people just like you.
You'd be doing a good deed.
Yes.
You'd sleep well at night knowing that you did something good for society. And Jeff and Mark.
Yeah.
So a couple different floor plans here. One is a 2-bedroom, 1-story, and then they have a 3-bedroom, 2-story. And they've got a bunch of specs ready to go. Starting down at $315,000.
Yeah, I think that's what it was. Yep.
And this neighborhood is going to have an amenity center, smaller, pickleball.
Yep, not a center, but amenities.
Yeah,
right?
amenities.
Yeah.
Pickleball, pavilion, some green space, a nice park or a lake with a walking trail around it.
Dog park.
Oh, and a dog park. So bring Fido, you're good to go. Let's go see these two different models available. This is the 2-story, so it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. There's going to be 2 bedrooms downstairs, 1 upstairs, and a 1-car garage. This is the model home, so this is their sales center right here. In the homes, this will actually be a garage.
And some of the buildings have 2, some of them have 4. This one we just happen to be in has 4.
Yeah. So a duplex, a triplex, a quadplex.
Yes.
Look at those big words.
You're on it.
Really, I didn't even have to think too hard about that. All right, let's see what's doing inside here.
Nice little front porch. You can put a couple chairs like they did here. Hard surfaces, like the wainscoting.
So in this door, this would come from the garage. So as you're coming in the door, garage on the left. On the right is the secondary bedroom downstairs. And this is totally big enough. This is a queen size bed. Right? Is that a queen or a king?
I think it's queen, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a queen. Queen size bed in here, and then a walk-in closet there.
Okay.
Big enough for a chair, apparently.
That's where you wait if you've been bad in the sales center.
Yes, So
go to the closet.
Go sit in the closet, and oh, you know me, I got to see if this is real soap, and I got to sniff it.
Don't unwrap it though.
I'm not going to unwrap it. It's called
dark
damask rose. Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
No.
Passes the Jeff sniffer.
Andrea, my birthday's coming up. Damask rose soap.
So you got stairs here. We'll go upstairs in a minute. I'm assuming, if I remember correctly, that's your laundry area.
I bet it is.
Because
yeah, it would be
laundry upstairs.
Yeah, so laundry down because the 2 main bedrooms are down here.
Okay. And then this is just a pantry.
So into a good sized kitchen, open living area. Now there's not really enough room to do much of a table outside something like this in this plan. But you can sit 3 across, and actually you might even fit 4 across the island.
Very nice.
Gas in the neighborhood.
Yep, that's a good thing.
Good backsplash.
These on the price list, they were all in the 3s, right?
Yeah, so here's an example of one. Looks like they're down at $325 right now. I've got one here at $320, which has an upstairs on it also.
Okay.
So they have about 15 specs available as of right now. The primary bedroom here, obviously in the first floor, and this is a king size bed, and you can see end tables on each side, plus a large dresser in here and another accent chair. So definitely plenty of space.
I like the wide doorway here too.
Movers love that.
Yes.
Movers love wide
Not that you're going to be moving a whole lot
no,
of the
not
bathroom.
into the closet. Boxes of clothes maybe.
Yeah.
Little
tight.
Yeah.
It's all right. Big enough. I liked it to do the 0 entry.
Mm-hmm.
And your handles are over here. Look at that. You don't even have to get wet.
Yeah. So
Very
it's
nice.
warm by the time you get underneath the shower.
Right.
You want to show us how that works?
No.
No? Okay.
Look, if they want a dining room table, they can move it up here.
Actually, yeah, there's enough space here to put a little home office right here.
Yep. You got
little loft, officeette.
Full bathroom here with just a small step over. They can do those steps. They can do that shower.
And another really, I feel like this bedroom's almost as big as the one downstairs. It's a good size.
Yeah. It's
Big
bigger than
windows.
the secondary for sure.
It is, yeah. The upstairs one is.
Yeah.
All right, that's it.
Just walked through the one with the upstairs.
Yeah.
Pretty much the same thing, but you're gonna see one, how it would be delivered to you. Because there's no furniture in here. You'll see some tape on the wall where they're starting to fix things up, but here's what the garage would look like, because you didn't see that before.
Yeah.
And then nice front porch still.
Yeah, totally big enough for 2 chairs and a table out here.
Yeah. I like how they had it set up at the model. So you got the same size rooms here, bathroom and bedroom to the right.
So the downstairs is a mirror image of the other house that has the upstairs.
Yes.
So it's all the same downstairs.
Just no stairs right there.
Right.
And then, so they did a little bit different in here, no gold, but you see it's got the brushed nickel hood. I kind of like the backsplash in this a little bit better. And I like how the cabinets are a little bit gray with the nice big stove.
You know, one thing I just noticed that is good for them for putting in, especially a spec home, a floor outlet.
Yes.
Makes it so nice when you want to put a couch here and a TV on that wall to have underneath the couch, so you can put some lamps beside the couch.
Lamps, or nowadays, everything's mobile device,
Yeah,
right?
just plug in your
You
phone.
gotta charge your phone and stuff.
Right.
So we didn't show the back porch on the last one, so it'll probably be good to show how they did these little fences on the side. And then, you know.
This fence in between you and the neighbor, and it looks like they're putting them on each side.
Yep, and there'll be a walking trail all the way around this pond as well. Let's show them what how big the 1-car garage is too, after we see the primary without anything in it. Hard surfaces throughout. You still have the 0 entry in the shower, and the only carpet in this whole house is right there in that closet.
Just in the closet. That's weird they put it just in the closet.
Yeah, why
would
would
people prefer carpet in
Yeah.
the closet for some reason?
That's okay. Here's what your laundry area would look like. And then it might be hard to see in here, but plenty of room for your car, or if you just wanted it to be storage.
Yep. Or a golf cart, because I mean, you can go to the amenity center in this neighborhood.
Or down to the restaurants and everything.
That's true, yeah. And actually from here, you could go to everything that Cane Bay has
Bay.
to offer. Good point. So Mark, if you were looking for like not a single family home, this is a great option if you listen, you love kids, but you don't want 17 of them living next door.
You want to see them go by your neighborhood.
Yes, over on the golf cart path.
Yes, you can
Yeah.
wave to them, absolutely. This is the neighborhood for you. Also, I'm gonna give it an alternate as well.
All right.
Let's say you come down to the south for 6, 7, 8 months, a year.
Oh, I see where you're going.
Lock it and leave it, baby.
Yeah, you
This
could
is the
be
one.
here for definitely a lower price point than in most of the 55 plus neighborhoods, and just lock it and leave it. Head back up north. You could be a snowbird here in Somerville, which we're seeing more of.
More and more, yep.
And with this great location, being able to golf cart, ride your bike, whatever, from here to Nexton and Cane Bay, it makes it a great location.
Yeah, I mean, you got your Publix over there, your Chick-fil-A, your Starbucks, your Dunkin' Donuts, 2 Mexican restaurants. Anything you want is super close, right?
Yep, for
All
sure.
right.
So if you have any questions on this one, go down in the description. There's a link you can click that drops right into our calendars. You can schedule a Zoom call, an in-person meeting with us. Give us a call. We'll bring you out here, show you whatever you need to see. Any questions, we're looking forward to talking to you all soon.
And the one thing they should never, ever do.
Don't go into these places unrepresented.
Yep.
You definitely want to come in with a realtor. There's no downside, only upside. We'll see you soon.